Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you where the EGR is and how to kind of access it, a few tips. And so basically it comes in here, it's a metal pipe, and it usually connects right about here on the car, whether you're supercharged or naturally aspirated. Then it goes down to the exhaust pipe on one side, usually on the manifold. So the size for this is 1 1/8 is about right. It's still a little bit loose. And here's a spare EGR that I have. I just wanted to show you that. You've probably seen this little cap at the top. This is off of a Mustang, but it's pretty similar. Anyway, you can see at the top you would put the wrench on here, and it's still a little loose. It's not a perfect size, but this size works enough. And then at the bottom where it would go into the exhaust manifold, it has another nut here. Now, the key with this is you want to make sure that you have not tightened down only one side. Otherwise, it's almost impossible to get this on and off. So you want to just thread this lightly and do the same at the top. Make sure that they're both in before you go to tighten them down. A lot of people have had trouble trying to get these to thread, and it's too tight, and they're pushing with all their might. And in order for it to seat properly, you have to have them both kind of loose and then tighten them down once they're in place. So anyway, it's just a nut here on the other end that threads on, and then the top part, it's the tube goes into this piece here, and so pretty simple. But anyway, that's the EGR, and that's a few tips on removing the nuts. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.